Hey guys, I'm getting myself ready for the day. Yes. Oh, I think maybe, hopefully that the weather is turning cooler here. I'm sure hoping so because we've had this hot weather for so long. Now I'm ready for fall. As you saw in my last video, I showed you my fall decorations, or at least part of them. I have made the decision that, you know what, I am going to bring fall on. I'm going to start wearing my sweaters. I'm going to just start wearing my boots. I'm going to start wearing things for the fall. What about you? I love fall. I love being here. Even though I love to have like 70 and 80 degrees all year round, that's sort of, I love that kind of weather. It seems like with some of my health things, I feel better when I'm warmer. When I'm cold, I have more aches and pains. But I think that goes along with being um, older. I'm not saying I'm old. I'm just older. I love in watching people on YouTube. I pick out the people that talk positive about things, happy about things, keep them. I leer away from anything negative. So if you want to watch my channel, now this is sort of a chit chat little thing. If you want to watch my channel and you want something positive in your life, you're gonna get it with my channel. I've been on here this past week. I have been on since full time since 2013. Started my channel in 2011, but it was bits and pieces. It was things for family. It was things for just odds and ends, and it was not really anything that I figured out what I really wanted to do. I did a couple videos, my husband and I, prior to that, but 2013 I started doing it every week. And I've made the decision that my husband wanted me, said, you're really good at doing a lot of different things. I love my cooking, and I've told you on previous videos, and I'm rambling, I'm sorry. I'm going to do some more cooking. I'm going to show you some decorations again, like I've always done. Both cooking and decorations I've always done on my channel, and I'm going to continue to do my daily dose of encouragement. Now, I want to tell you one person, but the Bacon Diva. I want to thank her personally because she gave me a shout out last week, and I do appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. That she said that I was like that little book that you go through and you get a little daily dose, you know. And I appreciate that because that's what I was going for. That I would give each one of you a positive, something to think about. I've had people to say to me that they have thought about things I said in the day or my last videos, or something I might say that I've even had said, "What would Kaye do?" Or Kaye said, "Be kinder than they are," or giving a smile. I just love that. Now, that being said, you tell me what you like about my channel, not what you dislike. Only positive, remember? I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm going to get ready. Start getting ready. I've got, this is my makeup robe, by the way, y'all. I put my makeup on with this one. Until tomorrow. I'm sending you a hug. I sure hope you feel it.